Opening scene. Cinematic shots of the 2025 Aston Martin driving through a scenic mountain road, engine roaring. The 2025 Aston Martin is here, and it's everything you'd expect from a brand that blends luxury, performance, and timeless design. This latest model refines what makes Aston Martin special, with a more aggressive stance, improved aerodynamics, and a driving experience that takes excitement to another level. Cut to slow-motion shot of the car's front grille and headlights. Let's start with the exterior. This new model carries Aston Martin's signature elegance but with sharper lines and a more sculpted look. The front grille is larger, giving it a more commanding presence, while the LED headlights have been redesigned to be sleeker and more modern. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned, with larger air intakes and an improved underbody design that enhances both cooling and downforce. Around the back, the taillights are slim and striking, wrapping around the car's curves seamlessly. And of course, the quad exhaust tips hint at the power lurking beneath the hood. You'll find a range of stunning color options, from classic British racing green to bold new metallic shades. Transition to engine startup and acceleration shot. Under the hood, the 2025 Aston Martin offers a choice of powertrains, but no matter which you choose, performance is exhilarating. The standard model comes with a twin turbocharged V8, producing over 500 horsepower, while the top-tier variant packs an upgraded V12, pushing well past 700 horsepower. That means a 0 to 60 mph time of under 3.5 seconds and a top speed that challenges even supercars. The updated suspension system makes handling precise and confident, whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising on the highway. An improved 8-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth yet aggressive shifts, ensuring that power is always at your command. Cut to interior close-ups. Stitching on seats, digital display, steering wheel. Inside, the 2025 Aston Martin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The finest leather, carbon fiber, and brushed metal elements create a cabin that feels as luxurious as it looks. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, perfect for long drives or spirited sprints. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen, faster response times, and full smartphone integration. A customizable digital driver's display gives you all the performance data you need at a glance. And let's not forget the details. Hand-stitched upholstery, ambient lighting, and an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system that makes every drive feel like an experience. Final shots of the car driving into the sunset. Now, let's talk pricing. The base model starts at around $160,000, while the high-performance V12 version pushes well over $250,000, especially with customizations. It's a serious investment, but for those who appreciate beauty, power, and prestige, the 2025 Aston Martin delivers on every front. So, is this the ultimate grand tour? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.